I'm so excited to introduce you my new car created by the talented Alkisdum24. You will find the link for this car in the description. It's a professional car, absolutely gorgeous and already rigged, so ready for animation. There are plenty of superb details on this car, like those beautiful suspensions, the carbon seats, the motor and much more. And as I mentioned, it's already rigged, so ready for animation. Of course, the car is compatible with launch control and RBC add-on. It comes with a beautiful studio with lights, cameras, decoration, so you can render right away in just one click. As usual, I'm proposing this car at a special price for the Blender community. A car like this costs easily $60 on any market, but I want it to be accessible for everyone, so the launching price is only $9. So if you always wanted to have an off-road beast or you simply want to support my channel, that would be a great way to do so. Take care.